What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you everything wrong with the Galaxy A21. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I'm assuming you've come from the everything that is right with the Galaxy A21, and if you have, thank you for watching that video, and definitely consider subscribing and turning on that notification bell to stay tuned for more A21 content. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you my opinions on the Galaxy A21. Now, as I said in the last video, obviously, I'm going to give you my full honest and unbiased opinions about this device, and you guys are going to have to make the decision if you want to pick up the phone or not. And obviously I'll help you along the way. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Anything that I can answer to make your decision easier, definitely go ahead and do not be afraid to DM me or post a comment. Now, first and foremost, I think the first thing that is wrong with this phone is the thick bezels that we have on this device. Obviously we have the 6.5 inch screen, 720p, but these bezels are crazy, especially in 2020. We have a huge thick chin at the bottom of the Galaxy A21. We could have definitely had more screen real estate on this device, so that's kind of sad. Obviously the sides of the phone are really not that bad. The bezels are a bit thick, but it's not too bad on the sides. Just that bottom chin looks really thick. Now, the next thing wrong with this phone is this is only 720p. Now, that is not the issue. It's just that the Galaxy A20 actually had an AMOLED screen, and this phone went down from an AMOLED to a regular IPS LCD. As you guys can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's like night and day putting these phones together. The A20 is much brighter, the colors are more vivid, they just look punchier. Way better on the Galaxy A20. Now, both of the brightnesses are max, I believe, right now, and the A20 looks better. Definitely put in the comments down below what you think. But going down from an AMOLED to an LCD IPS display definitely wasn't the move, and I feel like they did that because they made the phone a tiny bit bigger at 0.1 inches, but that just made the screen quality go down. What do you guys like in a phone better? Do you guys like a bigger screen, or do you guys like a better looking screen? Definitely tell me down below. Now, the next thing that's wrong with this phone is we have a Helio P35 MediaTek processor in this device. Obviously, this is not the worst processor that we get from MediaTek, but this processor is really not that good. I did really expect a 600 series processor, but it seems that they replaced it with this. Now, running on Android 10.0 UI 2.1, it seems that the optimization for the Helio P35 chip inside this phone works very well, so we're going to keep you updated on that. But so far it's been working decently, and it does look like the optimization is there when running basic tasks and running different applications. So I'll keep you updated on that, and I'll tell you if anything changes, but I really would have wanted more power, especially for the price tag of $259 to buy this phone outright. The next thing that's wrong about this phone is this does not have 64 gigabytes of internal storage. It only has 32. Now, on devices like the Moto G7, the Moto G Power, the Moto G Stylus, those have 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Even the LG Stylo 6 we see from Metro by T-Mobile, those all have 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Now, thankfully, we do have an SD card slot we can actually expand our memory through, which is cool, but I would have definitely wanted double the memory just because of that $259 price tag. That's a little much to charge someone when the phone only has 32 gigabytes of internal storage. So what do you guys think? Definitely tell me down below, but I thought that was just a little too much. Now, the next thing that's wrong about this phone, or the next thing I don't like about this phone, is this is only on Boost Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile right now. I really would like it for future Samsung products to be placed unlocked on Amazon, and I think a lot of people would like to have the option to buy an unlocked version, and obviously Samsung can get that done. So we're definitely going to be seeing a Galaxy A21 unlocked variant, but I feel like we should be seeing it more at launch, and I feel they would get better sales if they released it at launch, as well as all of these other prepaid carriers, because a lot of people do want this device and they don't want to use Metro or Boost Mobile. So that is definitely something that's wrong with this device, is that it's not released with an unlocked version until 6 months after the phone releases to Metro. And it also seems that other countries are getting these phones way earlier, and obviously that's because of the economy that they have on why those phones sell more than other flagship devices. But still, I think you guys should release an unlocked version, as soon as you drop it at Boost and other prepaid carriers. Now, the next con about this phone is that this is $259 when you buy it outright. When you port your number over, it's $39.99. When you add a line, it's $109.99. And when you open a new line, I believe it's $109.99 as well. So I don't see why it's $259. The specifications definitely don't match that price. You can get something that has better specifications for less. So really don't know what went on there, but still the $39.99 port-in deal is really good, as well as the add line or open a new line deal for $109.99. Next thing that's wrong about this phone is we only have one speaker, so we have a mono speaker. This is not going to have stereo speakers. Now the great thing about this speaker is that it's very loud, but you can block it very, very easily, and there's only one of them. Would have hoped that we had a speaker in the headset as well as the bottom, but obviously that did not happen. The other thing about this device is we can't shoot in 60 FPS or 4K, as you guys see here. We'll go to the rear video size, try to change the resolution, and the highest it goes up to is FHD 1080p. So kind of sucks that we don't have 60. I would have wanted at least 60, but we also don't have 4K on this device. 4K is a little bit more to ask, even though we do see it on some other mid-range devices in the similar price range, but still no 60 FPS. What's up with that? But yeah, everyone, that is all I found wrong with the Galaxy A21 so far. If you guys do have any more cons about this phone, definitely put it in the comment section down below, and obviously warn people if there's something that's not in this device that they want, and obviously make that decision if you want to purchase this phone and utilize the information that I've given you thus far. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, if it did help you, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to stay notified every time I drop a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.